What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. So as usual, this is a Sunday and you know what we do each and every Sunday. I share with you guys the best trades to be taking for boom and crash for the coming week. So today we're going to look at a continuation of the best trades that you can keep taking. I'm saying a continuation because we're going to continue from the previous analysis that I did last week. We're also going to review it and see if the analysis was on point, so that we know that these videos are helping or not, right? But before I start, I know last week I promised you guys to pick a winner from the comment section, the one that had the best comment, and today's winner is it says Jatrizi, and the comment was perfect the skill and money will follow. Thank you for the skill. That really touched me, and this is a very deep comment. Why? Because most people do not want to perfect their skill, they just want the money. So this guy really reminded me of the early days I started trading, and all I had in mind was money. But what you're supposed to have in mind is to perfect the skill. So Jatrizi, hit my inbox and reach out to me on Instagram or on my WhatsApp or from my Telegram channel. And on that note, if you want to join our trading community, the link is in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram and you can get to see what's happening live at ITG. And as usual, comment down below. I'll be picking up comments for the VIP access. You just saw me picking up one winner for the VIP access, and next time might probably be you. So comment down below what you think, right? So as usual, if you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. Also like this video if you're interested in this type of content. Okay, so let's take a look at what happened last week, the analysis that we had and how it played out. I'm going to start off with boom 1000 and we're going to dive deeper and see what really happened and what was our prediction. And I'm on the daily time frame right now, and here is the analysis that we had for the previous week. So we had predicted that we were about to sell boom 1000, and indeed, as you can see from the charts, we are really selling. We haven't yet reached our target. Our target is somewhere here. Our target is somewhere here. That's where I had anticipated that we'll go to, and I'm still holding on to that position. So there's a sell setup, a nice sell setup that we have on boom 1000, and we've been selling for the past let me check, let me count the candlesticks. That's 1 2 3 4 5 past 5 days, which means from the exactly the time that I posted this video, you were supposed to be in deep profits going on and on. So that played out well. I would consider this sell for the next 5 days again, because this is a nice perfect setup. We just broke this support and we're heading down to this support. So this just turned out to be our resistance, our new resistance point, right? So I'm hoping to get to the lower levels of our new support level right here. This is now the new support. The new support was this, and you can clearly see that it was broken, and then I'm hoping that we can continue going down to this level, right? So this is just a continuation on the analysis that I had already done last Sunday. You can check out the video if you think I did not predict this. The video is just on Sunday, the previous Sunday. Then you can clearly see how we managed to get to this point and how it then turned out to be great. So that's all for boom 1000. Let's take a look at crash 1000 and see our prediction. Here was our prediction for crash 1000. We predicted that from this point we're going to head straight up to this new resistance level. I predicted that we're going to be breaking this old resistance level, because I could clearly see that the downward trajectory was over. The downward trajectory was over, and it was time to head a little bit further up. On this note, for crash 1000, I'm trying to look for possibilities to further push up, but I'm expecting some few drawdowns. I'm expecting some few retracements because we've been bullish for quite some time. The bulls are now starting to lose power. As of yet, I do not have a perfect setup for this, but I think once it's ready, I'll post it in my Telegram channel. So make sure to keep up and keep looking at it, because at the point that it crash is at right now, there's so many possibilities. We can expect our resistance to be respected and price pushes down, and or we can expect a total breakout to a new to turn our old resistance level to a support level, right? So there's so many possibilities right now. Price is at a deciding level, and I don't really love taking trades when price is at a deciding level. I love to take my trades once price is already decided. For example, at this point, I knew price had already decided to break this resistance level, so the only way to go was now to go up. So that's where I love to take my trades. So I'm gonna wait for 1 or 2 candlesticks here and see where price takes us to. Okay, so that's crash 1000. Let's take a look at crash 500. Crash 500, we predicted a nice perfect sell setup, which is not yet fully matured, but we are in the right direction. So I think the time we got on our trade, was this one was the previous week, right? So on the previous week, and then this one was now our week, right? So I'm still expecting it to fall down. It has been really consolidating for some time. If you're in the daily time frame, there hasn't been much change. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is basically a week's movement. Can you see that there was so much consolidation? There was so much consolidation, but today's candlestick is showing us that we might now start to break out of this consolidation, because it's already breaking the law of the consolidation. So my previous analysis that we're going to be selling still holds. My previous analysis that we're going to be selling still holds. I'm not going to change that. I'm just going to adjust my arrows so that you can clearly see, since it's now a new analysis, right? Since it's now a new analysis, so breaking this consolidation, I'm hoping to keep going down, right? So let's see what crash 500 is. But for now, the setup is still perfect. If you're not jumped in yet, here's the perfect time. And then we talked about boom 500, and we predicted that we're going to be in a downward trajectory, respecting our support levels. And clearly you can see that from this point, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we did our analysis when we were at this point, clearly, right? Because I do this analysis each and every Sunday, and today is a Sunday, which is exactly 7 days ago. So you can just count candlesticks since we're in a daily time frame. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can clearly see that I made this analysis on this day, right? And we predicted that we're going to be in a downward trajectory following this, respecting this resistance zone. And I said, up when you're at this level, we're going to keep going down. So we're going to make some re-entries and then respect our support level. And you can clearly see that once we reached our support level, let me adjust it. Once we reach our support level, price made a turn where they went all the way up, right? So our targets were hit in 5 days. So on probably Friday, we were taking profits, right? So my new analysis for crash for boom 500 is clearly that this consolidation is being respected, and it looks like it keeps going occurring, and it's gonna keep going on and on and on until we have a proper breakout, and either we can go up, since we're consolidating down below there. We've been in a downward trajectory, so probably we're going to be start breaking up, right? But for now, I would say we have to reach a retest of this level. We have to retest this level, and let's see how it's going to play out. So I did 4 analysis last Sunday, and all the 4 analyses played out to be correct. Crash 500 is not yet fully matured, but it's in the right direction from what we predicted. So from what we predicted, you'll be in profit right now. If you are still holding, obviously we haven't reached our levels right here. This is mainly because we're doing analysis in the daily time frame. Taking a look in the 4-hour time frame, you can see what I'm talking about. Breakout from our consolidation level, a retest, and then an impulse move going downwards. Let's hope that it plays out that way. If you want to win VIP access, just like Jatrizi, comment down below. I'll pick your comment. Everyone is going to have an equal chance of winning this VIP access. So congratulations to Jatrizi. Hit me up, and until next time.